take a look at this sick gaming mouse. This is so cool. Oh, that's awesome. Nice little display. I think we're going to keep the box. So this is it. You have your on and off button on the bottom here. Some really cool lighting effects. That's so awesome, guys. Really cool. Look at this. That's so cool. So, left, right, scroll, DPI. You can adjust. Okay. Oh, can you change this here? Well, that's cool. You can change the settings of the actual lights. That's really cool. So you can adjust that. Love that. USB. Your little sticks in here, so you plug this into your computer. You pull this out, plug it into your computer. Very nice. 2 buttons on the side.